everyone, welcome back to Dr. Michelle's Integrative Health and Wellness channel. Happy New Year 2022. We're off to a grand start, and I've got the perfect video to start us off for the new year, one that I've wanted to do for a long time, and it's introducing doTERRA's Emotional Aromatherapy Kit. This is one of my favorite kits because it has 6 wonderful blends to support your mental health. I use these daily. I've been using these for years for myself and for my patients, and have seen remarkable shifts, not only for myself, but also for my patients. And it's usually a pretty immediate result. Once you put the oils on, they can go systemically within the system in about 30 seconds. So it goes into the limbic system, which is going to affect our emotions and create a shift. So I'm going to introduce one of my favorite kit products that they have, and then I'm going to go in depth on some other mental health videos for the Emotional Aromatherapy Kit, and dive a little deeper and show you another kit that they have that is kind of their sister kit. But today, like I said, I want to share one that is my favorite because I call it the 6-pack of mental health. So instead of getting a 6-pack of something else, you can invest in your mental health and get a 6-pack of these essential oils that are going to pretty much support you in many primary emotions that we go through on a daily basis. So what you're going to want to do is to pick what your emotional experience is for that day, and it might shift throughout the day. So you can, be using multiples of these, or you might want to just use one for the day. So I'll go through and share what my favorite one is in just a bit. But this is the 6-pack. These are roll-ons, 10 milliliter bottles. They're roll-ons, and when they're roll-ons like this, it means that they're also diluted with fractionated coconut oil, which helps the absorption of the oil into the system. And it's also really great if you have sensitive skin, because it's going to help dilute the blend of oils that make up the blend. And then it's also going to help to spread over the area. So great areas to apply your essential oils, especially for mental health. The temple, you just don't want to get oils ever near the eyes, but the temporal, the brain stem, which is back up here by the neck. This is where I rub it on my patients a lot. You could rub it onto your scalp. The heart chakra, I like to rub them on my heart chakra. And then the wrist points, because that's just a nice quick place you can go ahead and apply the oil. And we actually have the heart channel here that runs along in Chinese medicine theory. So the heart channel could be a really great place. The lung channel for grief and the heart channel for like anxiety would be a great way if you wanted to do Chinese meridian pathway application, which maybe I'll go into someday on another video. But I've got lots of information to share. I'm going to go through each oil blend specifically, and then, like I said, I'll do a deeper dive on my essential oil aromatherapy chart for mental health. And we'll do some more mental health education, and then I'll also share the other, like I said, sister kit. So let's start with one of my favorite oils, which is the Motivate oil. And what's so great, first I just want to point out is, if you're a guy or you don't carry a purse and you're a woman, you could just stick these in your pocket if you're not sure which one you're going to want to use. I actually grab my favorites that I know I'm going to use every day. I'll share my favorites, Motivate and Cheer, and when I go through the reasons why I use those, you'll have a better understanding. But also really great just to stick in your purse or your briefcase, and real small, easy to go. Also great for traveling. So just wanted to point that out. So great way to support your mental health no matter where you're at. So the Motivate oil is a great one for confidence, courage, creativity. It's also great. Well, I used to do presentations, not so much anymore right now, but it would give me a lot of confidence in front of an audience and really help me to just have fun and relax and get creative with my presentations. So the Motivate oil has the fractionated coconut oil. It's got peppermint, clementine pill, coriander seed, basil herb, yuzu peel, I may not be saying that right, Y-U-Z-U, melissa leaf, rosemary leaf, and vanilla bean absolute. They call it a clean, fresh, and minty scent. Now again, this is going to help with courage and belief in yourself. It's going to counteract negative emotions such as doubt, pessimism, and cynicism. It's also known as the Encouraging Blend. And this blend is also good for, I mean, just as its name says, motivating. If you're feeling stuck, which, you know, depression can often do to us, Motivate is one that I prescribe to my patients a lot because it's going to help get you up and get you outdoors and get you moving. Or if you have projects to do, things that you need to get done, it's going to help you start to dive into those projects. So consider Motivate for that. And let's move on. I already told you where to put them. And let's see if there's anything else. Yeah, I think that covers that one. So that's one of my favorite oils, Motivate. My second favorite, or actually not in any order, probably this is my primary favorite, is Cheer. And I call this my antidepressant. So Cheer's an amazing one. I don't know if I held up Motivate, but I'll put that one up here so you can get it. And the Cheer is also known as the Uplifting Blend. And that one is more of a fresh, spicy, warm scent. And the oils that contain in Cheer are fractionated coconut oil, wild orange peel, clove bud, star anise fruit seed, lemon myrtle leaf, nutmeg kernel, vanilla absolute, ginger root, cinnamon bark, and this one, oh my gosh, I won't be able to say it's, let me see if I can hold this up to the camera. I don't know if it's focusing, but I'll spell it. It's an herb, and it's ZDRAVETZ. I'm going to have to look that one up. I was not ready for that. And the Cheer blend, like I said, for me, I call it my antidepressant. It uplifts you. Anything citrus, anytime it's going to have any type of citrus in the oil, it's going to be very uplifting and great for feeling down. So it's going to promote feelings of optimism, cheerfulness, and happiness. And then it also will counteract negative emotions such as feeling down, blue, or low. So this is my go-to every day. I usually apply it at least probably 2 to 3 times a day. And then if I'm feeling tired or like I just can't get moving, or I have lots of projects, that's when I'll incorporate Motivate. So a lot of times I'm using both on the same day. A lot of times I'm just using Cheer. So you have to just go with where you're at that particular day. And then know again that that's in a 10 milliliter bottle. All of these are. And you can also get the fractionated coconut oil separately through doTERRA, which I recommend. I actually use it in the shower for moisturizing my skin and shaving. And then it's also great just, again, if you want to dilute your oils some more, because these are certified pure therapeutic oils, meaning they have no pesticides, fillers, additives, chemicals. It's the pure oil. So if you feel like, oh, I'm a little sensitive to that, then you might want to consider getting just a bottle of fractionated coconut oil on the side. But these are all diluted with that. So the next one that I'm going to introduce, I don't have the bottle. I think I must have used it all up, is the Passion Blend. And this has fractionated coconut oil, cardamom. Just a side note on cardamom seed, that one is really a great single oil for anger. So if you or anybody has anger, I used to use this one quite a bit in my clinic. I still do if I, come across something specific like that. But cardamom's really wonderful for anger, outburst, that sort of thing. Cinnamon bark is also in the passion blend, ginger root, clove bud, sandalwood, and jasmine flower, absolute, vanilla bean absolute, and they're throwing these words that I'm not familiar with stating. Damanian leaf, if anybody knows what that one is. Passion is described as spicy, warm, and rich. So this is going to add spice to your life, spice to your, if you're, in relationships, if you want to bring that passion into a relationship, or just feeling passionate in life, this is the oil blend to use. It's going to ignite feelings of excitement, joy, and passion, and then it will counteract negative feelings of boredom and disinterest. It's also known as the inspiring blend. So another great one if you're working on projects, writing a book, put your passion on, or creating a new relationship, anything of that sort. So another great one. Forgiveness, the forgiveness blend, forgive blend. I don't have that either. I think I either gave that as a gift to somebody with what I had left, or I either used it up. I must have needed that through my life. But the forgiveness blend, or forgive blend, is also called the renewing blend. So this is a really great one because this is going to help us to move forward, let go of our past. It's a new year, let go of the old stuff, the old stories, and begin anew, forgive, which is going to not only benefit us, but benefit all of those that we come into contact with going through our day-to-day lives. And it just helps to heal the past. So this is going to be a great healing oil. Fractionated coconut oil, spruce leaf, bergamot peel, which is a citrus, juniper berry fruit, myrrh resin, arbor vitae wood, nootka tree wood, another new one, thyme leaf, and citronella herb. Now this one is considered fresh, woody, and herbaceous. I'm saying that right. So forgive for the promote feelings. It brings on contentment, relief, and patience. So that's a really good one that a lot of us are working on a lot of the times, is to be patient. I know I do. And then it counteracts negative feelings, emotions of anger and guilt. So this would be another good one for anger, and then any guilt feelings, feelings of shame, all those things that don't serve us that we really just need to let go of. So consider the Forgive blend, also known as the Renewing blend. These oils are available single too, so if you didn't want to invest in the 6-pack, know that you can get the oils on their own individually. The next one, number 5, is the Console blend. This one I'm prescribing a lot to my patients that are going through grief, sadness, and sorrow and loss, or just, feeling in a funk with maybe reminiscing of a loss. It doesn't always have to be something that just occurred, but Console's a very powerful blend. It's also known as the Comforting blend, and this one has frankincense, resin, patchouli leaf, ylang-ylang flower, labdium, oh my gosh, another one. I'm being challenged with my English. Labdanum, Labdanum, and I will have that listed on the video. So that's a flower, absolute, amorous bark, sandalwood wood, rose flower, and osmanthus flower absolute. This is considered sweet, musky, and floral. So it's going to bring about feelings of comfort and hope, and then it's going to counteract negative emotions of grief, sadness, and hopelessness. The last one is the Peace Touch. Now this one I've used a lot. I actually use this pre-surgically and post, but feelings of just anxiousness, feeling uneasy. I pulled out the peace a lot too with loss, loss of a pet, loss of my mother. So losses, this is another great one. And this is also known as the Reassuring Blend. This has vetiver root, which is a very grounding essential oil, lavender plant, very calming, ylang-ylang flower, frankincense resin, clary sage flower, and marjoram leaf. It's got the labdamen leaf again, and then it's also got spearmint herb. This is known as a sweet, rich, and minty blend, and it's going to help bring about feelings of peace, reassurance, and contentment. It counteracts anxiety, anxiousness, and feelings of fear, being fearful. So that's probably why I went to that one when I was going in for surgery. I just thought, I need peace. I need the Peace Blend. So consider the 6-pack. And reach out if you need support. There are ways to save on ordering your oils, becoming a member, kind of like a Costco member. You can save 25% for the year on all the products and earn back free shipping, shopping points as well. So there's lots of great little tricks of the trade, and I can support you with that. Please also remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell twice to be notified of my videos that are coming out monthly. And then please give it a thumbs up. That will help the channel to grow. And I'm sending you all abundant blessings of healthy, happy, mental health in your lives, and just know that, you know, we get to choose every day we wake up what mood we're going to be in. So it is a choice. So make it a good, thoughtful choice. And if you need help, I'm here to support you via telemedicine, a phone call, or coming in live to see me. So Dr. Michelle here, sending you love and light, and lots of goodness for the new year. Thanks, guys. Take good care. We'll see you soon.